and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Anshika Mishra. Today we'll talk about light color is less important for the internal clock than originally thought. Light in the evening is thought to be bad for sleep. However, does the color of the light play a role? Researchers from the University of Basel and the Technical University of Munich compared the influence of different light colors on human body. The researchers' findings contradict the results of a previous study in mice. Vision is a complex process. The visual perception of the environment is created by a combination of different wavelengths of light, which are decoded as colors and brightness in the brain. Photoreceptors in the retina first convert the light into electrical impulse. With sufficient light, the cones enable sharp, detailed, and colored vision. A study in mice in 2019 suggested that yellowish light has a stronger influence on the internal clock than bluish light, says Christine Blume. In humans, the main effect of light on the internal clock and sleep is probably mediated via the light-sensitive ganglion cells. However, there is reason to believe that the color of light, which is encoded by the cones, could also be relevant to the internal clock.
Are you also aspiring to excel in medical journalism and delve into the intricacies of health and medical reporting? Explore our comprehensive course on medical and health journalism available at the Medical Dialogues Academy. Learn from industry experts who possesses in-depth knowledge and experience in this field. For further details, scan the QR code provided or access the link in the description box below.
To get to the bottom of this, the researchers exposed 16 healthy volunteers to a bluish or yellowish light stimulus for 1 hour in the late evening, as well as the white light stimulus as control condition. The light stimuli were designed in such a way that they differentiately activated the color-sensitive cones in the retina in a very controlled manner. This method of light stimulation allows us to separate the light properties that may play a role in how light affects human in a clean experimental way, says Manuel Stipsan, professor of chronobiology and health at the Technical University of Munich, who was also involved in the study. In order to understand the effects of the different light stimuli on the body in the sleep laboratory, the researchers determined whether the internal clock of the participant had changed depending on the color of the light. The conclusion: we found no evidence that the variation of light color along a blue-yellow dimension plays a relevant role for the human internal clock or sleep, says Christine Blume. This contradicts the results of mouse study mentioned above. Rather, our results support the finding of many other studies that the light-sensitive ganglion cells are most important for human internal clock, says the scientist. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for more updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.